We need to stop listening to these people when they're telling us things like we're all going to move to Mars, or is it the moon this week, or we're all going to be putting chips in our brains to evolve to the next level of humanity, or that we need to be breeding more. We need to stop listening to the tech bro, the hyper investors, on any subject that is anything other than what they are proven to know about, which is largely choosing which companies to invest in and pushing around other investors. Because outside of that, they don't necessarily know anything, but they're so used to being hyper successful in this one niche area that they deludedly seem to think that they're good at everything. And there is no lack of supply of other bro disciples to follow them and believe this thing. It's basically a religion stroke cult. Stop listening. It's not just to the expertise areas as well. Crucially, they are human. I don't just mean they make mistakes and have fallible brains. I mean they're human. We have 3 levels of brain, right? There's the outer brain, which is the human neo-mammalian brain, which is like where conscious thought and rational thinking takes place. And we can largely see inside that, but as we think, but not all the time. Then just inside of that, there's the paleo-mammalian brain, which is where all the powerful emotions live, like fear and hatred and all that stuff. And we can't see inside that. We sort of, with a bit of therapy or meditation or whatever, can kind of get a feel for what's going on in there, but we can't actually see what's going on. And then right inside that is like a little walnut stuffed into that, which is the reptilian brain, which is where all our like sort of hormonal responses live, like fight or flight or whatever. And we can't control or really see into that at all. These people have all the same brains. So even though they might appear super successful and very, very clever if you think they're clever at this one thing, they still have all those inner emotions which were programmed during childhood that they can't see the roots of. And they still have a particular wiring through to their adrenaline glands and all that stuff that makes them angry or motivated or whatever. They're still as flawed as the rest of us. So they don't have any sort of superhuman ability to think like a computer or to think logically and to remove all that subjectivity, but they think they do. They're so deluded. They don't understand what it is to be a human, but they're telling all the humans what they should do. And there are so many humans listening. Please stop. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.